Hello guys and welcome back to Programming with Dan. As same as every career, programming has a peak and eventually a programmer needs to apply for other roles. What are the possible options and when is the best time to switch to different role? By the end of this video, you will have answer for all of these questions. I'm Daniel. I'm a full-stack software engineer with over 8 years of experience, and my vision is to help you get started with programming and stay with you along the way. As I said, programming has a peak, and over time you will feel that, okay, it's getting harder for me to get a job. The effective career time span for a programmer is limited, but before landing a new role, you need to be prepared for that. But what can help you to get prepared? By gaining more experience over time, improving technical and communication skills, you will get ready for the next roles. But one very important point is that what is your personality style? Some people are more into technical stuff, and the others are more interested in becoming a manager. In this video, I will walk you through all the possible options for a developer, what are responsibilities of each role, and what it takes to occupy next positions. The journey of a programmer starts with being a junior developer. A junior developer is someone with maximum 3 years of experience, can write simple codes, have an initial understanding of different parts of the application, and not comfortable in every part of a complex application. A junior developer is actually started to getting the big picture of application lifecycle. Some days, a junior developer feels like, I can do everything, I'm pretty comfortable with every kind of challenge. And on the other days, he feels like, how is it possible to write such a complex code? And this feeling is completely normal. And that's because of the gaps in the junior developer skills. By facing more challenges, reading more books, writing more complex codes, everything will get much more easier for a programmer to deal with. At this point, no programming challenge seems daunting. You can find viable solutions for most of the problems with less effort. By this time, please hit the subscription button down there. By doing this, you help me to produce more informative videos for you. And this is the right time to go for senior developer position. A senior developer is someone with normally 4 to 10 years of experience. This person can write complex applications, have a deep understanding of entire application lifecycle, is pretty comfortable to working on different parts of the application, and usually can design and develop whole the application from scratch. Many of the senior developers choose big organizations to work for, and many of them decide to join startups as a technical founder or CTO. However, being a technical founder or CTO at a startup involves a lot less coding and more people skill. And it's worth to mention that technical skills of a founder makes a great contribution to success of a startup. And the next role in the list is software architecture. A software architecture is a developer with 7 to 10 years of experience, with same skills of a senior developer plus having deeper understanding of software design. After many years of experience, if you see management is not your thing, software architecture is an alternative path. Architects sometimes write code, but more often they design complex systems which will be implemented by teams of senior and junior developers. An architect's job is to use his technical knowledge earned after years of experience to design a successful software structure. And the next role is management positions. When it comes to management, along with having solid technical skills, having strong people skills is extremely important. A manager needs to make a balance between having a friendly relationship with team members and being a boss. A leader requires to make right decision in the right time and guide all other team members to meet the targets. Another important thing is a manager needs to mediate conflicts among team members and having great skill in negotiation with other teams. A manager is directly responsible for every failure or success of the team. The most common manager a programmer runs into is a developer manager. A developer manager is a senior developer who has great management skills. A typical role of the developer manager is kind of mediator between the project manager or product manager with the development team. This guy is actually responsible for to say who should do what. And the last position is project or product manager. This guy can be from a technical background or can be anyone who's completely familiar with the product is going to be built. A product manager is looking to the project from business side, and the main responsibility of the product manager is to align the business needs with the product is being built. This role has nothing to do with programming technical details. The product manager will analyze the customer needs, the market, the competitive products, and then set a strategy to win this game. A product manager is usually the guy who should report to the director of the company. A product manager has to get the feedback from customers, other teams, the director of the company, and tell the needed changes to the developer manager. If this video was valuable for you, please give it a like and don't forget to hit the subscription button down there to get notified of the next videos. See you later.